All right, personal box coming up here for Cheon. Good luck, buddy. Topps finest. Let's hit that Shohei Ohtani. Let's do it one time. Wake this room up and get you a nice, nice jersey. That'd be awesome. Hey, what's up? What's good?
Make sure you were actually working.
Always, buddy.
Always.
Always. All right. First autograph is Lucas Sims, Atlanta Braves. A sitting red Nolan Arenado and a Rhys Hoskins. Rookie. J.P. Crawford, rookie. Bryce Harper, Cornerstones. Corey Neville to 250. Purple. Verdugo, rookie. And Delmonico, rookie. All right, mini box 2. There's an Ohtani, base rookie. Ryan Braun, and a Garrett Cooper base autograph, Yankees. Chris Bryant, sitting red. Yadier Molina, gold, Cornerstones to 50. Yadier Molina, Cornerstones. Clint Frazier, rookie, Lucas Sims. And the last pack, finished with, is base. All right, buddy, I appreciate it. If I can get you anything else, just give me a holler. We'll get it packed up.